Welcome back. This is Azure Directory Services where I will be showing you Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so let me show you first the Directory Service Entra ID, and then we will be talking about this, what exactly these are the things. Okay, so here is the Microsoft Entra ID. So this Directory Services basically gives you lot of options here. You can see preview features, the users, you can manage the users, you can create the groups, you can also manage it, external identities, rules and administrations. So there are a lot of options here which you can go through and you can get to know what exactly these are and how you have to work on it, right? So these are the directory service where you have to create the user, and from where you are going to assign the roles. Okay, now let's come again that some theoretical parts, right? So cloud-based identity and access management, that's what I have just showed you. Enable sign-in and access Microsoft Cloud application and custom apps. Okay, it has earlier it was calling as Azure Active Directory, AAD, right? Now we call it as Microsoft Entra ID. So it extends on-premises AD deployments to the cloud as well. Now the key user is like IT admin, app developers, users, which I have already shown you. Microsoft Entra ID features, right? The authentication, basically under the authentication, there is identity verification, there could be MFA, there is password reset. Okay. Single sign-on is there, application management, device management is there. That one also I will show you. Entra Connect. Okay, this is something the advanced level where you will be connecting your Active Directory to Entra ID with the help of AD Connect, basically. Okay, AD Connect is something which is a joiner or a bridge, you can say, between the AD and Microsoft Entra ID, right? Similarly, the Entra domain services, there is a lot of Entra domain services like group policy, LDAP, Kerberos, right? All these things you can check. Now, what is the key benefit here? Okay, so you don't need any kind of infrastructure management. You don't need any complex integration. It's a very seamless and very simple integration, right? So you don't need to configure anything on the on-prem. Everything you will get on the cloud. For example, let me again show you. So here, from here you can manage the users. You can click on new user, you can create the new user as well, right? You can download the user, you can delete and whatever the bulk of options you have, you can do it everything from here. The audit logs, sign-in logs, or everything you can do it from here. The password resets, you can do it from here. You can delete the user from here also, right? If we will go back, there is a lot of options related to groups. So you can go through these groups. You can create the new group. You can download the group. Okay, all these settings, once you will expand it, you will get a lot of options here. So you can explore it. Similarly, there is external identities. We will be talking about in the external identities one, rules and admin. Okay, delegated admin partners, enterprise applications, the devices which we were talking about, right? From here you can configure the devices as well. You can manage all of them. So these are the things which you can do from Microsoft Entra ID. So in case of any doubt, you can just comment in the comment section. Any of from the Cybrainum is going to respond that question.